Welcome to the Dell Boomi Certification Overview. Here, we explore the journey to becoming certified, from its benefits to the nitty-gritty of eligibility. By the end of this, you'll know if you're ready to take the leap. Plus, it'll open doors to career opportunities you didn't even know existed. So buckle up. It's going to be an informative ride, without boring you into a snooze fest. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's kick things off with the basics. What is Dell Boomi API Management? We'll dive into why API management tools are game changers. They streamline integrations and take the chaos out of connectivity. Think of it as turning tangled wires into a smooth network highway. And don't worry, we'll keep this techie talk light and digestible. Next up, let's talk about features that make Dell Boomi API Management shine. It lets you create APIs faster than you can microwave popcorn, monitor traffic like a digital detective, and ensure top-notch security. Did I mention it's like a chameleon? It works across platforms seamlessly. Magic or just great engineering? You decide. API Lifecycle Management is like raising a digital child, from design to its ultimate retirement. We'll discuss strategies to deploy APIs efficiently and keep them updated with version control. It's all about creating, nurturing, and retiring APIs gracefully. And yes, this is probably the only life cycle you'll manage without needing coffee to survive. APIs need to be as secure as your bank vault or your cookie jar. We'll look at authentication methods, encryption techniques, and ways to plug those pesky vulnerabilities. Because let's be honest, nobody wants their API to be the digital equivalent of an open-door policy. Think of the API gateway as the gatekeeper of your data universe. It manages traffic, balances loads, and scales like a pro. Oh, and it's not just about keeping things in line. It's also about making sure everything runs smoothly, even if your traffic spikes like a Black Friday sale. Monitoring APIs is like keeping an eye on your fitness tracker, except for digital health. Real-time tools, performance insights, and anomaly alerts help you boost efficiency. Trust me, your APIs will thank you for the extra attention. Not that they can send thank you notes, of course. Boomi services play well together, like a dream team. Integration enhances workflows, centralizes management, and scales solutions effortlessly. It's like having all your tools on the same page, literally and figuratively. Trust me, once you see it in action, you'll wonder how you managed without. Good API design is all about simplicity and scalability. Think of it as building a bridge that everyone can cross easily. Industry standards guide the way, while thorough testing ensures reliability. Because the last thing you want is an API that's less reliable than your Wi-Fi during a thunderstorm. Let's talk about error handling. It's like being a detective for your application. First, you'll identify errors and uncover their root causes. Then, set up tracking mechanisms to keep tabs on them. Automated logging tools make this much easier, while monitoring trends helps you stay ahead of potential issues. Solving errors isn't just about fixing bugs. It's about creating a robust system. And yes, maybe playing Sherlock Holmes in your spare time. Let's crank up performance. Your apps deserve to run like a dream. You'll work on improving speed and responsiveness while keeping resource consumption low. It's like tuning a race car for peak performance. Caching strategies and efficient code optimization are your secret weapons here. Don't just build apps. Make them dazzling performers that users can't get enough of. Scalability is like preparing for a party that keeps growing. You'll plan ahead for user demands and growth, use infrastructure that can scale up, and implement load balancing solutions to handle the crowds. Finally, make sure performance remains solid even under pressure. It's like being the coolest party host who's always ready for surprise guests. This is where theory meets practice. You'll dive into real-world examples, from industry use cases to practical implementation steps. Highlight the benefits of these solutions and throw in some inspiring case studies with tangible results. Think of it as showing off your work to prove just how impactful your ideas can be. Let's ace the certification exam. First, familiarize yourself with its format, then zoom in on key topics to focus your prep. Efficient study tips will keep you on track, and practice resources, including mock tests, are great confidence builders. Remember, preparation isn't about cramming. It's about smart studying and walking into that exam ready to conquer it. A Boomi certification unlocks doors. With it, you can access exciting careers in integration services and make a mark in competitive markets. Use this credential to push for promotions and establish credibility. Plus, networking with other Boomi certified pros might just open up opportunities you never imagined. It's not just certification. It's your ticket to a booming career. Let's wrap it up. Summarize the highlights of everything we've covered today and encourage diving deeper into resources. Lay out clear, actionable steps moving forward. Lastly, emphasize the importance of continuous learning. It's the secret to growth and staying ahead of the curve. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. It's just the beginning of your success story. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.